Hello and welcome to the Elephant English podcast. In today's video we're going to be looking at 100 opposite words that are verbs in English. And at the end I'm going to be testing you on several of them, so make sure that you're paying attention. Lose, win, shout, whisper, accept, reject, complicate, simplify, praise, criticize, forgive, blame, employ, dismiss, deny, admit, combine, separate, give, receive, cool, heat, push, pull, lower, raise, spend, save, defend, attack, borrow, lend, sit, stand, ask, answer, break, fix, punish, reward, strengthen, weaken, succeed, fail, arrive, leave, add, subtract, import, export, insult, compliment, forget, remember, float, sink, grow, shrink, forbid, permit, improve, deteriorate, build, demolish, smile, frown, hate, love, loosen, tighten, sleep, wake up, marry, divorce, take, leave, melt, freeze, approve, disapprove, turn on, turn off, die, live, detest, admire, agree, disagree, open, close, brighten, fade, lock, unlock, pass, fail, notice, ignore, teach, learn. So now you're going to test yourself. The opposite of strengthen is weaken. The opposite of heat is cool. The opposite of defend is attack. The opposite of complicate is simplify. The opposite of smile is frown. And finally, the opposite of add is subtract. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.